We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new BMW 5 Series protected with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got the key to this, they'd get the vehicle started, but they'd be unable to drive it away because this system makes sure the vehicle doesn't go into gear, it puts itself straight back into park, and it's going nowhere. So it's nice and simple. You get in the car, start it up, you go through a code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and simple. Get a flash on the full beam, and we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn the car off, the system activates by itself straight away, confirmed with 2 flashes. And if a thief grabbed your key as soon as you hopped out, as soon as you got home, your vehicle's going nowhere without the code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This system also has a service mode when it goes back to a main dealer. To turn that on, you keep your foot off the brake. In the BMWs, to get the ignition on, you have to triple tap the start button. So 1, 2, 3, the ignition comes on. To put it into service mode, we have to confirm it's us by putting our code in, and we hold the last button for 15 seconds until we get 5 flashes on the dash. That puts it into service mode, which makes this a normal vehicle and completely disables the immobiliser. Now we've got them 5 flashes, this becomes a normal vehicle. So we'll turn it off. You see we don't get our 2 flash activation. The system's totally disabled. It's going to go into gear as if you haven't got an immobiliser fitted, as if there's nothing installed on the vehicle. The only way to reactivate this is do the same process again. So foot off the brake. For the ignition on the BMWs is 1, 2, 3 presses. You'll pop your code in and you'll hold the last button for 15 seconds again. But this time you'll only get 1 flash after 15 seconds when it comes back out. We've got that. Our system's now active. When we turn the car off, you'll see in a couple of seconds it will activate, confirm with 2 flashes, and your vehicle's going nowhere. So always double check when you get it home that your system's active. So try and drive your vehicle away without a code. Once your immobiliser's been turned back on, make sure you've done it correctly. As you see, this one's on, so we're going to have to go through our code, receive our flash, and drive away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.